See how I made this storyboard from my script in minutes for this animated video. This is Katalist AI, and it promises instant storyboards, character consistency, and deeper creative controls which no other AI tool can. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through Katalist AI, and we'll figure out together if Katalist is actually the future of storyboarding and making videos. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. Alright, so once you log in, this is the dashboard. This is basically your control room, where all the magic happens. To start, I'm clicking on Generate from Idea or Script. Now it gives you two options. The first one is Upload Script. If you already wrote everything, you can just upload a file. Katalist will read it and try to figure out what visual should go with each part. The second one is Generate Script. This is a fun one. If you just have a rough idea but no script, Katalist actually writes it for you. So here I'm typing a story idea like, a fearless explorer navigates a dangerous jungle to find a lost treasure and save her village from drought. Now, under this, there's this little slider asking how many scenes I want. This basically controls how long and detailed the story becomes. I'll keep it around 10 scenes so it's not too short but not overwhelming. Now hit Generate Script, and it starts processing. And in a few seconds, the script just appears, already broken down into scenes. You can scroll through and see each scene, what's happening, where it's happening, and how the story flows. You can click into any line and rewrite it. Like if something sounds off or too dramatic, you can tweak it to match your own style. Up here on the top right, you can change the aspect ratio depending on your content format. And if you're not happy with the script, you can click Generate Script again, and it'll rewrite the whole thing with a fresh version of the idea. Mind you, the better your prompt, the better the results. If you're super vague, the visuals can feel kinda random or off. Once the script looks good, hit Next, and now we're in the Style section. This is where the story really starts to feel real. You'll be shown a range of visual styles that can dramatically change how your jungle treasure adventure could look. You can pick from different visual vibes like cinematic, anime, realistic, or retro. I love how different the same story feels just by switching styles. Like, the jungle can feel like a serious survival movie or an old-school adventure show. For this demo, I'm picking the cartoon style. It feels playful, colorful, and gives total treasure hunt adventure vibes. Next, click Create Project. Now, we're in the Cast tab, and Katalist has already analyzed your script and automatically created characters for your story. For example, in our Jungle Treasure adventure, we've got Maya, the fearless explorer, and Jaguar, the mysterious jungle guardian. Each character already has a look, clothing, personality, and even voice tone suggestions. What's really cool is consistency. Maya will look the same across the entire story. Same face, same outfit, same vibe, which is actually very hard for most AI tools. If you want to edit a character, just hit the edit icon. You can change how they look, their clothes, personality, literally everything. Once all your characters look right, just click Create Project to move forward and generate your storyboard. In a few moments, the full storyboard pops up on screen. Every scene is fully visualized. You can scroll through and see the image, scene description, which character appears, the location, and timing. It's super clean and easy to follow. You can also hover between scenes to add new ones or split them into chapters without restarting everything. Right now, it only supports one character per frame. So if you try to force multiple characters into the same scene, things can glitch, or sometimes one character just disappears. So it's not perfect if your story has a lot of character interactions. Down in the corner, you've got the AI assistant. You can click it, select scenes, and give instructions like make the lighting darker, add fog, or change Maya's expression to anger. It'll regenerate only those selected scenes. Sometimes in complex action scenes, the poses or faces can look a little unnatural, so you might need some manual fine-tuning for really detailed storytelling. Once the storyboard looks good, click Create Video. Instead of jumping straight into video generation, Katalist first displays a timeline view where all your scenes are organized sequentially. This gives you one last chance to make any adjustments before the video is created. Here you can control how long each scene stays on screen, drag scenes around, and fine-tune the pacing. For dramatic moments, longer scenes work better. For fast action, quick cuts feel more dynamic. You can even add transitions like fade-outs or cuts to make everything flow smoothly. Next, there's audio. You can upload your own voice, and for music, you can pick something from Katalyst's library or drop in your own tracks. And if you don't want to record anything, you can just turn on auto narration, and it'll convert your script into a natural-sounding voiceover automatically. When everything feels right, click Generate Video. Now a pop-up appears with different video models like VO3, Sora, or Runway. Keep in mind that some models work better with specific styles. For example, anime visuals might look best with Runway, while cinematic styles could really shine with Sora too. Once you've picked your preferred model, just click Generate Videos. Then, Katalyst will start processing your storyboard. This can take anywhere from 10 minutes to several hours, depending on the number of scenes, the complexity of each scene, your subscription tier, and the model you chose. And here it is.
It begins with a single reckless step into the unknown. Jungle, be kind, or at least be interesting. Easy, big cat. I'm only passing through. The jungle answers her respect with ancient, silent directions.
It's not perfect, but impressive for something we created in a few minutes. Now let's head over to pricing. Katalyst gives you a 7-day free trial where you actually get access to almost all the features, so you can properly play around with it before deciding anything. Paid plans start from $19 a month, which gives access to higher usage limits, faster processing, commercial rights, and access to their better video generation models. Overall, Katalist AI is fast, powerful, and honestly fun to use. It's not perfect. Multi-character scenes and very complex moments can still have glitches. But for fast storyboards, quick AI videos, and rapid prototyping, it can save you a ton of time. So try out Katalist AI using the discount link in the description and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And for another useful AI tutorial, check out this video next.